Industry 4.0, or the fourth industrial revolution, is transforming the way we manufacture goods and interact with our built and natural environment. 3D printing is a great example that is being trialled in some very unexpected places. Take Australia's Great Barrier Reef, where work is underway to 3D print artificial reefs in response to deteriorating coral ecosystems. This kind of innovation is also being explored on the farm using blockchain technology. From paddock to plate, blockchain is making the food supply chain faster, safer, and more secure. Driverless cars were unthought of just a few years ago. Industry 4.0 is making them real. Better traffic flow, safety, productivity, and less environmental impact are all a part of this incredible work. The fourth industrial revolution is well and truly underway. Standards are driving this innovation and making the impossible possible.